Hello fellas. Um Today I'm fixing something else on my 2016 Spark. I think it's a common failure. This is the second time it happened. First time was repaired by the warranty. Obviously now it's out. So I think it's something common in these cars because I heard in a lot of groups that happens, and also on this side. So today I'll try to make it chip fix. Uh, I know this is like $100. I think it was 65. I don't remember, but I have time for it, so uh, I still have the little piece that came off. So I'll try to bunch it together into the visor. So one of the first steps is to remove the visor itself so we can work with it easily. So we'll be removing this two screws right here. So we'll use our torque screw. So let's remove it. As so. Let's see. Oh, stay right there. Let's see. Something still holding it up. What's right there? So finally got it out. Looks like it has like little spring on it. Well, like a clip. As you can see here. Doesn't have on the other side. This is an easy part to remove, actually. Just because we didn't know what I could see on that side. It's only those two screws holding it up. Come on, camera. You're banging on me. There we go. So now the next step is to just prepare the missing piece. So for this, I'm just going to use a bit of super glue, put it on the piece, and put it back in the visor. Easy fix. So we have to remember the orientation of this. This was placed like so. Should be like that originally. So just need now the glue on it. So we'll proceed to that. Bit of glue here. Now the other side. And as quickly as you can, just put it back where it belongs. There you go. If you can, put a bit from outside. That should give more strength to the piece. now. Just let it dry for a bit, and we're good to go. So, return to the car. I have my visor botched together. As you can see, this is this version. It's really cheap. It doesn't even have the mirror on it. You only have a mirror on this side, and that's the stereo. Now, if someone of you know how to fix this, this is like something happened with the plastic that comes on. I left the plastic on to protect the display, and with the heat and everything, got all messed up. If someone of you knows how to fix it, comment down below, and I'll do a video on it. So now we just put everything back together. Should be right there. There we go, clicked in place. Now just need the screws. Picked it up. So there you go. Just putting everything back together. Okay. There you go. And the other one, there you go. See if it works. Some clicking. Sorry. Here it is. See if it survives. Appears to be worked. So, doesn't seem to be clicking. So this is almost also damaged. I need to take a look a bit. So that's how you fix with the low budget your visor. Hope you enjoyed. Let's see what else happens to my cars, and I'll continue doing some videos on it. Thanks for watching.